Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a charging stop to your route in Waze in 2026. Now, before we start, Waze is available in the Play Store and also in the App Store, so you can download this application on your iPhone or your iOS device and also on your Android device, so make sure to do that from the store. Now let's go back to our topic and learn how to add a charging stop to your route in Waze. So, if you have an electric vehicle, you need to charge it stop and you need to set the route for it. So first you're going to start by entering your destination and calculating your route. You can click and enter your destination in this box right here that says where to. And the second thing is to search for a charging station or an electric vehicle charger along your route. And to do that, you're going to click on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. You're going to go to the settings here. And you're going to scroll all the way down until you find the vehicle details. Now here, you're going to choose the vehicle type. We're going to set it to an electric vehicle. And then you're going to click on this and you're going to choose your plug type. Make sure to choose your plug type. Choose from these ones depending on your vehicle. There are the J1772, the Type 2, the Tesla, etc. You can also choose the networks here. As you can see, you can choose the EV plug, the fast volts, the IRSN, the kilowatts, the Tesla, and the total energies. Once you set it here, and you're gonna turn on the electric vehicle features, and you're gonna select the charging stations and add it as a stop. Waze will then update your routes to include the charging locations. And before starting your trip, check the estimated distance and make sure you have enough battery to reach the charging stop. And if you need another charging stop later, repeat the same process and add another location when appropriate. It's also a good idea to verify that the charger has the connector you need before driving there. And that's how you add a charging stop in Waze. And if this guide helped you, feel free to like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.